Hi ho and welcome back to Python and welcome back to Numpy. Now we are heading to our next topic, which is slicing. Yeah, you may know slicing from lists, and as a quick reminder, we are just creating a list which contains 5 elements. And what we are gonna do, we want to print a list, but the list should be A, but only with 3, 2, 3, 4. So we are printing A, but we are slicing it. We are excluding index 0. So 1, which we are typing, is included. And we are excluding index 4, because it starts from 0 and ends with 4. And the last index we are typing in will be excluded. So we got 2, 3, 4. And we can take double steps, and then we are having 2 and 4 because 3 is kinda left out. And if we want to reserve a list, we are typing this little code because now we are hitting from we are starting from the last element, which is 5, and that there is no number means that it can do it like open end. And if we only want 5 for 3, we are saying we are starting with 5, including it and excluding index 1. Now we got 5 for 3. So that's everything about slicing lists. And now we are creating a Numpy array. A equals np point array of list. And what works with lists works also with Numpy array, but it gets interesting if we have two-dimensional arrays. So what I did now, I created a two-dimensional array, and it has the two-dimensional array contains two one-dimensional arrays, and you wonder what will happen if we print A now, nothing. So let's explain how to get access to certain elements of our list. So we are printing list and getting the entire two array element. If we are typing to double point, we are creating the second element because we are saying he should start from index 1 going to open end. So if there would be more arrays after the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, he would include them. And now we have type a comma because we got our line. Now we are in, you can, if we have two-dimensional arrays, you can see it as a matrix. And after lines, we go to the columns. And here we want to start at index 1, excluding index 4. And now we got nothing because I am slicing a list, but I wanted to slice the array. Now we got it. 7, 8, 9, because 1 means he starts from index 1 to open end, and 1 to 4 means he starts at index 1 at the one-dimensional array, and also adding index 2 and index 3, and 4 is excluded. Now the same with a three-dimensional array. Here I copied a three-dimensional array, and as you may know, if we just type print A and the same we did before, he will start from the second two-dimensional array, including the third two-dimensional array, because we have three-dimensional array containing 3 two-dimensional arrays. And in the two-dimensional arrays, he will both start from the second line because the first is excluded, and go to 4, but because there are only 2, he won't print any line fewer than the second one. Okay, to gain the same as before, or let us print out 27, 28, 29. So because there's no array after, we can say start with 2, then we are saying start with 1, then we are saying start with 1 and with 4. And as you see, we have 27, 28, 29, exactly what we wanted. And the same if we want it reversed, we are starting with 4, ending with 1, and -1. Now we got the same thing reversed, but we included index 4 and excluded index 1. We want to exclude 26, and yes. Now we got it reversed, 29, 28, 27. Last but not least, let's look at a 4-dimensional array. Now I got a 4-dimensional array, this one. I created really quickly just by adding random numbers in each element. So now let's see what happens again. Now he's giving us again two-dimensional arrays, but we want to only 277. Oh no, let's just have 127, 173, and 174. So how do we gain access? Because we are having 4 3-dimensional arrays, and we want, I guess, this one. I was referring to this 2, this 3. But no, that's too easy. Let's try to print out 317, 318, 319. So let me mark it because I'm kind of short-minded and will forget it after seconds. We want to print out these 3 numbers. So first let us say the starting with the second and excluding, or starting with index 2 and excluding index 3, then starting with index 1 excluding index 2, and then starting again with index 1, and starting from index 1 to excluding 4. And here we go, 317, 318, and 319. And it won't feel any different if we add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimensions. So that's probably everything about slicing. You can try it yourself, you can find new combinations, or can have an array. I will link this array in the description below. You can try new combinations of slicing and try to find your very own pairs of numbers. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I hope you could understand slicing, and bye bye.